Hello Mummy, today we are going to deal with pre-qualification of consultants. Introduction. It is impossible to arrange pre-qualification for each project. Big institutions who regularly do construction have a list of pre-qualified consultants for design and supervision of their projects. The list is usually based on the budget and the complexity of the project. These lists are prepared depending on the available resources with the consultant to successfully perform the duties of design or supervision. The requirements vary from department to department, and the model is attached below. Pre-qualification for consultants. Page 1, Section 1, Instruction to Consultants. Clause 1. The consultant shall enclose one original 2 copies of the document in a sealed envelope which shall A. bear the names and addresses of the consultant, B. be delivered by hand or through couriers or through registered mail to address mentioned in the advertisement for requalification or in a document, and C. be clearly marked application for requalification for time-based consultancy for feasibility study, design, marketing and construction, supervision of engineering projects, stadium, hotels, shops, etc. and allied infrastructure, etc. The client will hire the services of a consultant for usually for 2 years. Clause 2. If the envelope is not sealed and not marked as required, the client will assume no responsibility for the misplacement or prematuring opening of the document. Clause 3. Document shall be prepared in English language. Clause 4. Consultant must respond to all questions and provide complete information as advised in the document. Any lapse to provide the essential information may result in disqualification of the consultant. Clause 5. Clarification and modification of the documents. Consultant who has obtained document may request for clarification of content of the pre-qualification document in writing, and response to such queries shall be made in writing within 5 calendar days, provided they are received at least 5 calendar days prior to the date of submission of the pre-qualifying document. Clause 6. Addendum. At any time prior to the deadline for submission of pre-qualification documents, the client may amend the pre-qualification document by issuing addenda. Any addendum issued shall be part of the pre-qualification document and shall be communicated in writing to all who have obtained the pre-qualification document. It will also be placed on the website for information for all concerned. Clause 7. Deadline for submission of documents. Documents shall be received by the client at the address mentioned in EUI not later than the date and the time mentioned in the EUI. Client may, at his discretion, extend the deadline for the submission of documents by amending the pre-qualification document, and in which case all rights and obligations of the client and consultant subject to the previous deadline shall therefore be subjected to the deadline as extended. Clause 8. Evaluation. Consultants' general and particular experience, personal and equipment capabilities and financial position as demonstrated by the applicant responses in the prescribed form will be evaluated as per evaluation criteria given in the document. The client reserves the right to waive minor deviations if this doesn't materially affect the capability of the applicants to perform the contract. Subcontracts, experience and resources shall not be taken into account in determining the consultant's compliance with the qualifying criteria. However, joint venture experience and resources shall be considered. Consortium or association of firms will be considered for similar treatment as in the case of joint venture. Clause 9. Clarification of pre-qualification information. To assist in the evaluation of the information, the client may, at its discretion, ask the consultant for a clarification of any information which shall be submitted within a stated reasonable period of time. Any request for clarification shall be in writing. If any consultant does not provide clarification of the information requested by the date and time set in the client's request for clarification, then the application of the consultant may be rejected. Clause 10. Verification of pre-qualification information. Verification of information provided by the pre-qualified or shortlisted consultant in the submission for pre-qualification may be made in case the information is found to be wrong or incorrect in any material way, or consultant is found to be lacking in the capability of resources to successfully perform the contract, then it shall not be pre-qualified. Pre-qualification document for consultant. Evaluation qualification criteria. Evaluation qualification criteria based on pass or fail system. Mandatory provisions eligibility. Consultant must possess valid registration certificate of PEC or in the relevant category. Attach valid PEC certificate. Single entity must meet joint venture. All members must meet the valid registration certificate from income tax. Section 2. Evaluation qualification criteria 1. Evaluation qualification criteria. Based on the pass-fail system, mandatory provision eligibility, consultant must possess valid registration certificate of PEC relevant to the category. Attached valid PEC certificate. Single entity must meet joint venture. All members must meet valid registration certificate from income tax authority. Attached relevant certificate. Single entity must meet the joint venture. All members must meet. 3 is not blacklisted. Attach all required forms, certificates and affidavit of not blacklisting. Single entity must meet the joint venture. All members must meet. Four, no conflict of interest. Attach all required forms, certificate, affidavit. Single entity must meet the joint venture. All members must meet. Litigation history. Attach all required forms, certificates and affidavits. Single entity must meet joint venture. All members must meet. In-house capability of topography survey, town planning, architecture, structure design, MEP design, HVAC design and infrastructure design. Subletting of these works is not allowed. Attach certificate of non-judicial paper. Single entity must meet the joint venture, must meet collectively. Pre-qualification document for consultants. Other requirements. It must include the following information documents. General consultancy experience. Consultant has been in business for 18 years in consultancy at least 10 years. Single entity must meet joint venture. All members must meet attached articles of incorporation or documents or certificates and documents of registration of the legal entity. In case of JV, letters of interest, intent to form JV or JV agreement. B. Specific design planning, experience and past performance. Have successfully completed 2 similar projects, stadium, multi-story buildings, in the last 5 years of value not less than $5 million construction cost each. Single entity must meet the joint venture. Lead member must meet other members. One project Key personal qualification and experience, serial number. Position, qualification and experience of design team. Project manager, PEC, PCATP. Valid registration of bachelor or master degree in the relevant field. Experience, BSc with 25 years and MSc with 20 years. Principal master planner, PCATP. Registration with bachelor or master degree in relevant field. Experience 25 years, BSc and master 20 years. Three, principal architect, PCATP. Registration with bachelor or master degree in the relevant field. Experience 25 years, BSc with 25 years and master with 20 years. Principal MEP engineer, PEC. Registration with bachelor or master degree in the relevant field. Experience, BSc 25 years and MSc 20 years. Principal structural engineer, PEC. Registration with bachelor's or master degree in the relevant field. BSc 25 years and master degree with 20 years. Principal HVAC engineer, PEC. Registration with bachelor or master degree in the relevant field. Experience, BSc 25 years and MSc 25 years. All the above key staff members be permanent employees of the consultant, must have 2 years employment with the consultant. Principal horticulturist, bachelor or master in the relevant field. Experience, BSc 25 years, MSc 20 years. 7 years marketing expert, MBA with 20 years experience. Construction supervision team, 8 resident engineer, PEC. Registration with bachelor or master degree in civil engineering, relevant experience of 15 years. Number 9, ARE, assistant resident engineer building, PEC. Registration with bachelor or master degree in civil engineering, relevant experience of 10 years. 10, ARE HVAC, PEC. Registration with bachelor or master degree in mechanical engineering, relevant experience of 10 years. Assistant resident engineer electrical, PEC. Registration with bachelor or master degree in electrical engineering, relevant experience of 10 years. ARE MEP, PEC. Registration with bachelor or masters in civil engineering, relevant experience of 10 years. Assistant resident engineer infrastructure, PEC. Registration with bachelor or master degree in civil engineering, relevant experience 10 years. 14, material engineer, bachelor or master degree in geology, relevant experience 15 years. Single entity must meet the joint venture, must meet collectively brief CVs of personnel to be attached. Financial and historical financial performance. Thank you.